Are you a coffee enthusiast but curious about how it really impacts your body? Let's uncover the truth together and clear up any questions you might have. We'll dive into how coffee affects each part of your body, with a special focus on the liver, which plays a crucial role in our overall health. To start, if coffee isn't part of your daily routine, you might be missing out on some valuable nutrients and microelements that can boost your well-being. Recent research reveals that coffee offers more than just its well-known antioxidant benefits. While many of us enjoy coffee for its rich flavor, enticing aroma, and energy boost, do we truly understand its full value? Let's delve into this together and discover the deeper benefits coffee has to offer. We now have a comprehensive understanding of coffee's composition. It includes caffeine, trigonolin, nitrogenous compounds, lipids, carbohydrates, organic acids, trace elements, and vitamins. Each of these components interacts with our body in unique ways. Let's break down how they work together to influence our health. Improves mood. Enjoying coffee in the morning can positively impact your mood throughout the day. Caffeine stimulates the release of endorphins and serotonin, which are key to maintaining a good mood and a sense of well-being. Thus, moderate consumption of coffee can help uplift your spirits and assist in managing mild depression. Boosts physical activity. Caffeine, the primary active ingredient in coffee, is a natural alkaloid that stimulates the central nervous system. This boost in stimulation can enhance physical performance and increase endurance, helping you feel more energized and capable during workouts. Boosts brain function. Caffeine boosts cognitive functions, including attention, concentration, memory, and reaction time. Drinking coffee can help you stay alert and maintain productivity, whether at work or throughout your daily activities. Protects liver health. Natural coffee offers protection against liver conditions such as cirrhosis, non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, hepatitis, and even liver cancer. Regular coffee consumption has a cumulative benefit, making it a valuable addition to your daily routine. We'll delve deeper into how coffee impacts liver health later on. Reduces risk of heart diseases. Although caffeine may temporarily raise blood pressure, consistent coffee consumption is linked to a lower risk of heart diseases, including heart attacks and ischemic conditions. This protective effect is largely due to the antioxidants and organic acids found in coffee beans, which contribute positively to cardiovascular health. Reduces risk of Parkinson's disease. Regular coffee consumption reduces the risk of developing Parkinson's disease. This is because coffee contains organic compounds and acids that help protect the brain's nerve cells from damage. Scientists note that coffee drinkers are 18% less likely to develop this disease. These are just some of the many benefits that coffee offers. Thanks to its rich composition, coffee beans can be used to make not only a delicious but also a healthy drink. However, like any product, it should be consumed in moderation. Too much coffee can lead to unwanted side effects such as insomnia, anxiety, and increased blood pressure. Reduces risk of chronic diseases. Did you know that drinking coffee regularly might lower your risk of developing conditions such as type 2 diabetes, Alzheimer's disease, and even certain cancers? This benefit is largely attributed to coffee's antioxidant properties, which help protect the body by neutralizing harmful free radicals. How does coffee affect the liver? The liver is a vital organ that processes nutrients from food, detoxifies the blood, and eliminates harmful substances. It also produces bile, essential for digesting fats and improving digestion. Coffee, with its rich array of active components such as caffeine, antioxidants, and polyphenols, has a positive impact on liver health. These compounds help boost liver cell function and protect against damage, supporting overall liver health. Benefits of coffee for the liver. Reduced risk of cirrhosis. Multiple international studies have demonstrated that regular coffee consumption is linked to a reduced risk of developing cirrhosis, a serious condition that can severely affect liver function and potentially lead to life-threatening complications. Prevention of fatty liver disease. Coffee helps prevent fatty liver disease, a condition where excess fat accumulates in the liver. By supporting liver function and metabolism, coffee reduces the risk of fat buildup and maintains liver health. Protection from alcoholic intoxication. Coffee aids in the prevention of fatty liver disease, a condition characterized by the accumulation of excess fat in the liver. By enhancing liver function and metabolism, coffee helps reduce fat buildup and supports overall liver health. Reduce cancer risk. Moderate coffee consumption is associated with a reduced risk of developing cancer, with studies showing an average reduction of 10% in risk. How does coffee affect blood vessels? Coffee's effects extend beyond the liver due to its high caffeine content. Regular coffee consumption helps combat fatigue, improves blood circulation, and enhances cardiovascular function. Caffeine has varying effects on different blood vessels. It dilates veins and arteries, aids digestion by constricting digestive blood vessels, and may reduce menstrual pain by constricting pelvic blood vessels. Most notably, caffeine can constrict blood vessels in the brain, alleviating headaches and discomfort. While moderate caffeine can boost well-being, it's not recommended for those with chronic vascular conditions or vegetative vascular dystonia. The best and worst foods to pair with coffee. Did you know that some food pairings with coffee can be detrimental to your health? Let's take a look at the 3 worst foods to combine with coffee, especially in the context of cancer and dementia prevention, and explore the 3 best pairings that can contribute to a healthier lifestyle. Worst food pairings with coffee. Sweet coffee drinks, like vanilla lattes. Many people enjoy sweetened coffee drinks like vanilla lattes, but they often contain high amounts of sugar, powdered creamers, and artificial additives. This high sugar content can spike blood sugar levels, leading to insulin resistance and inflammation in blood vessels. This increases cancer risk, contributes to fatty liver disease, and can harm brain health, potentially causing memory issues and dementia. Additionally, sugary coffee can lead to obesity, high blood pressure, and other metabolic problems. The creamy powders in these drinks can also add unwanted fat. Therefore, sweet coffee drinks after meals aren't the best choice for your health. Medications. Some people believe caffeine can boost the effectiveness of their medications, but this isn't true. Drinking coffee with supplements or prescription drugs can actually reduce their effectiveness and cause health problems. Caffeine can interfere with the absorption of supplement ingredients and worsen issues with medications. For instance, combining coffee with aspirin or stomach remedies can increase stomach acid and cause irritation. Coffee with cold and cough medicines can lead to a racing heart and high blood pressure, potentially causing arrhythmias or brain hemorrhages. Additionally, coffee's diuretic effect can strain your kidneys if you're already taking diuretics. Chocolate. Pairing a sweet chocolate cake with an Americano can be tempting, but it can lead to excessive caffeine intake, as both chocolate and coffee are high in caffeine. This may cause overstimulation and increase the risk of heart arrhythmias. The American Heart Association warns that too much caffeine can lead to serious heart issues. For a healthier choice, enjoy chocolate and coffee separately. Best food pairings with coffee. Cinnamon. In Mexico, adding a cinnamon stick to coffee is a traditional health boost. Coffee is rich in antioxidants called polyphenols that strengthen blood vessels and reduce inflammation. Cinnamon also contains similar antioxidants. Combined, they improve blood circulation and support joint health. You can stir a cinnamon stick into your coffee or mix in about half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder for an extra health boost. Milk. Adding milk to your coffee to make lattes or cappuccinos can smooth out its bitterness and acidity while boosting its health benefits. Coffee's diuretic effect can cause calcium loss, but milk, rich in calcium, helps counteract this. Milk also forms a protective layer in the stomach and neutralizes acidity. Plus, it adds protein and balances the nutritional profile of your coffee. Nuts. Coffee supports brain health and may help prevent dementia by inhibiting tau proteins and protecting brain cells. Pairing coffee with nuts, like walnuts and almonds, enhances these benefits by improving memory and blood flow. For a healthier coffee experience, choose unbrewed or filtered coffee and add a sprinkle of cinnamon or nutmeg. Avoid mixing coffee with supplements or drugs and opt for nuts rather than chocolate to boost brain health. When coffee becomes harmful, while coffee offers many benefits, too much can be harmful. For most people without severe cardiovascular conditions, a couple of cups a day is generally safe. However, if you have serious heart conditions, even small amounts of caffeine can trigger chest pain. Coffee can also cause dangerous blood pressure spikes in those with hypertension. It's best to avoid coffee if you have angina, tachycardia, aneurysms, or glaucoma. Pregnant and breastfeeding women should avoid coffee, as caffeine can affect the baby's health. Coffee may also disrupt sleep, worsen gastritis and ulcers, and interact negatively with certain medications like contraceptives, antidepressants, and diuretics. Some individuals may be intolerant to coffee and experience adverse effects. Overall, coffee is a healthy, versatile beverage that can boost your mood and energy levels. It helps prevent various diseases, keeps you alert, and boosts your activity levels. And there you have it, your complete guide to understanding how coffee impacts your health, from its benefits to its best and worst food pairings. Incorporating this knowledge into your daily routine can make a real difference in how you enjoy your coffee and its effects on your well-being. Have you tried any of these tips or experienced the effects of coffee on your health? What's your favorite way to enjoy coffee while staying healthy? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Your insights could help others make informed choices about their coffee habits too. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tips on staying healthy and making the most of your daily habits. We've got plenty more videos on health topics that you won't want to miss. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.